Le Mans encapsulates the spirit of endurance. It shows that a car can last and perform for 24 hours. It's a huge amount of running. Toyota has never won Le Mans. We've been trying since 1985, on and off. It's part of our DNA, and we want to win it. It's super important to us. You've got to beat the opposition, but you also have to beat the race. So far, we have beaten the opposition. We have never beaten the race. Here at Toyota Motorsport, we work with DSM as a technical partner to have access to the very, very cutting-edge technologies that DSM can provide. We can get technology that can make our race car quicker, or cheaper, or more efficient. All of these things add up to make us a more competitive team.
For the TS050, we are using carbon with Dyneema for bodywork components.
Modern racing cars, they're all built from carbon composites. There are certain parts in a car that are really vulnerable for damage. And then you can think about the front end of the car, or behind the wheels, or the bottom plates. There is where Dyneema plays a major role, because Dyneema can protect the composite from breaking.
Your whole year, your whole focus is on one race, and it doesn't matter what happens away from that race. That race defines if you have a good year or a bad year. Excitement really builds before the race when you see the crowds there, you have the atmosphere on the grid. The race starts, and even if you're leading, you're waiting, hoping that you never have to hear the radio call that we have a problem. But unfortunately, it happens.
The hardest moment was in 2016 when we were just losing the race 4 minutes before the end of the race.
In the end you end up in tears, because you have worked quite hard, you have seen the success coming, but 1 week later you're already full ahead for the next year's car, because everybody still has to drive to win. The benefit of the carbon with Dyneema for our TS050 car is that it's really very impact resistant.
And we can further reduce weight of our car to make our car go faster.
Carbon is very strong, very stiff. Dyneema is flexible and impact resistant. Carbon with Dyneema combines in such a way that you can get the best out of these two materials. A lightweight, strong composite that is still impact resistant.
I always felt I have something left open to complete with this to win in Le Mans. So that's for sure this year. I hope we can close that book.
We've faced challenges, we've faced heartbreak. We keep coming back, and that's because we do believe the impossible is possible. It is possible. Toyota can win Le Mans. We are determined to do that.